Hello folks, Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technology, doing a quick video here on our virtual trading assistant Holly. Always highlight the importance of human and machine, right? So I'm going to start here with ARVN. Holly gives us a nice entry here just below the 35 whole number. So we wanted to wait on that 35 break to take it. Still plenty of room on this. We wanted to jump in it a little sooner. Also, we were well off the stop that was down here. And again, you may not always agree with Holly's stop, but get you thinking about risk management, especially for the newer traders. Stock goes on to make a nice move with not without a little pain, some whipping and shadowing up and down here. Now, here's where the human element in this comes in, right? How do we manage this winner, right? Holly has a timed exit, but we may not agree or want to stick around for that whole timed exit, especially with the chop of the market. And we could see here, eventually we get a fade and below the entry level. We do again pop up, but realistically, no successful trader would let something like this go on. We would have taken some profit here, moved on for another trade. Want to show the same kind of concept here again with AX, right? We get a entry here at just over 49, so a whole number break on this here. We make a nice move up and over $50 for going sideways and then going back down through the entry again. Again, why human and machine is so important. A quality machine signal, quality human to guide and direct that signal afterwards. If you liked what you saw here, you want to see more of Holly or just trade ideas in general, trade-ideas.com. Come visit us. Holidays are coming up. We're bound to have some sales you might be interested in. Take care, folks.